Welcome back to another thrilling episode of Mastering Python in 30 Days. I am your host, and today we are diving into the exciting realm of control flows and conditional statements. Now, control flows and conditional statements allow us to make decisions and guide the flow of our programs. It's like having a compass that directs the path our code takes, and we can embark on this journey into the world of if statements. In Python, if statements are a powerful tool that helps us perform actions based on certain conditions. They allow our programs to make choices and execute different sets of instructions accordingly. Let's take a look at some examples. Consider this scenario. You want to create a program that greets users differently based on their age. If a user is below 18 years old, we'll greet them as a youngster. Otherwise, we'll greet them as a grown-up. So in this code, we use an if statement to check if the age variable is less than 18. If it is, we print the greeting hello youngster. Otherwise, we print hello grown-up. When we run this code, it will greet us based on our age. Try changing the value of the age variable and see how the greeting changes. Of course, I have attached below some Python online interpreters that you can use to copy this code and run it for yourself. So there is more to this. If statements can also be combined to create more complex decision-making scenarios. We can use elif statements to check additional conditions if the previous ones are not met. Imagine we want to categorize a person's body mass index into different ranges. Let's take a look at how we can achieve that using if and elif statements. So in this code, we check the value of BMI against different conditions. If the BMI is less than 18.5, it's categorized as underweight. If it's between 18.5 and 25, it's normal weight. If it's between 25 and 30, it's overweight. And if it's greater than or equal to 30, it's obese. By using if and elif statements, we can create a more comprehensive categorization based on different conditions. Feel free to experiment with different BMI values and observe the corresponding outputs. These examples demonstrate the power and versatility of if statements in Python. They allow our programs to make decisions and adapt based on various conditions. Now remember, practice makes perfect, and try creating your own if statements, and you can make use of Google Colab and various online interpreters. This is an excellent way to sharpen your coding skills. That's a wrap for today. Make sure to subscribe to our channel if you would like to not miss any of the upcoming episodes where we explore more fascinating Python concepts. Like, for example, in our next, we look at comparison and logical operators. Till next time, happy coding.